You and your brother have successfully destroyed 2 of my bathrooms. I don't know what to say about that, except that I didn't think it was possible to have your plumbing redone because a 10-year-old and a 13-year-old are, the traffic up there is extremely heavy in your restrooms. So I would like for you to talk to me about your stomach issues because I recall, being 13. I don't recall going to the restroom, and I definitely don't ever recall toilets having to be replaced in my house. And it was 6 people. We don't have 6 people living here, and I'm just trying to understand how not only did you destroy my bathroom, sir, but you destroyed my bathroom upstairs and downstairs. So, my downstairs bathroom is collateral damage. My ceiling there. So, can you tell me about what's going on in your stomach area?
I don't know. I just sometimes, sometimes it's food that's been stored up, and sometimes it's just a bad day for my stomach. I guess.
And so, my toilet has to suffer?
Yeah. Not bad.
It's very unfortunate.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's not a little bit. It's apparently 7,500 tons. And I just would like you to speak on it. I mean, I remember having stomach aches, and I remember going, oh, God, I'm going to die. I don't think I'm ever going to leave. But to experience that as regularly as you do, is there anything left, sweetie?
Yeah, my guts.
Yeah, but at this point, I would think your actual intestines are coming out.
It might be because I'm not drinking a lot of water.
No, I've seen you. And don't forget, I force you. You don't have a choice. But I'm saying, as much as you go, and as long as you stay in there, we only have so many restrooms in this house. And I banned you all from mine after you broke the 2 upstairs. So I know that you don't have any control over this situation, but I would like you to talk to your situation and try to rein it in. Because it's putting a real dent in the finances. I mean, 1 bathroom and the toilet being destroyed. And it was actually the toilet that was broken. You broke the toilet.
What?
The actual toilet. And how you broke it, I don't know. Because, first of all, there's the bottom half, and then you have the top half. It's in 2 pieces. You actually separated the toilets.
Seriously?
Yes. So I would like to know what it is that you're dropping off.
I don't know. I think it's just food that's stored up inside. That's my best explanation.
So my next thing is, son, what are you eating? Because we all eat the same thing. Although you might eat a little bit more than the rest of us.
A little bit more than the rest of them.
Notice my toilet not broke, and it's not going to be broke because you won't be using it. I promise you on everything I love that I will go Asia style. I will dig a nice hole outside, and I will let you go in it.
Wow. Oh my God.
I promise you are not breaking my toilet. No, sir.
Okay.
So how's the stomach today? Not too bad?
Hasn't been complaining.
We'll find out in about an hour or so. I'm just saying. No one likes for every toilet in their house to be broken. Initially, I thought you all were throwing things down the toilet, but when I found out that was not the case, I was in shock. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Little boys, I guess. Anyway.